Okay, quick video about my van here. We just got this van in October, and I had some an amplifier and some stuff sitting around, and I thought, well, I'm in here a lot, so might as well put it in here and make some use out of it. So what I have here is I have a Rockford amplifier. Probably got it, I don't know, 10 years ago, more. And anyway, we just hooked it up to my factory radio here. And once you get that radio out, which isn't really bad, you don't have to take a whole lot apart. Once you take the radio out, you find the front speaker wires, the left and the right. We attached a line level adapter to it, and the one we use has a remote turn on, automatic remote turn on capability for it. So the amp turns on really when the doors are open or when it senses a signal or a voltage change. So anyway, so the line output converter, basically connects to the rear speaker wires, the front speaker wires in this case. And this radio is Bluetooth, so whenever I get in, my phone just connects to it, and away we go. But anyway, so from the line output converter to RCA's, it also makes a remote turn on output. And I went down behind the glove box and underneath the plastic floor panel there, and up and around, and I followed along this way. Now the battery is underneath the driver's seat, so once you slide the seat forward, you can take this top part off and get to the battery. So I have the power wire and the fuse right at the battery, and ran my power wire out and up to my amp. I grounded my amp onto a good piece of steel behind here. And then now in this case here, not everybody's going to have a JBL Pro 18 sitting around, but I did. So anyway, and I had plenty of room in here. And if I need to take it out, I could take it out, because all I have to do, this has a commercial style jack on it. It's right here. So I just push it in, unplug it, boom, take it out, and then when I'm ready to have it back in here, plug it in, twist. Simple as that. Plugs right into my amp. So I could take this thing out, but like I said, it was just sitting around in my basement. I wasn't using it. I have powered subs now for our other uses, and anyway, so I didn't need this non-powered sub, and it's 8 ohm, but it will seriously crank with that amp on it. So anyway, that's what I did to my this is an I guess it's an E250. It's a 3/4 ton all-wheel drive van. It's the 3.5 EcoBoost. So anyway, that's how I did it.